This is the best broccoli recipe in the world. Even people who don't like them will love it. In a pot, add 400 grams of broccoli, water, one teaspoon of salt, and let it cook for 5 minutes. Tell me how you make broccoli in your house. I'd love to know your recipe. Remove the broccoli from the pot. And then, in the same water, add 250 grams of noodles, 1 tablespoon of oil, and let it cook. In another pan, add 4 tablespoons of butter and stir until melted. Add 4 tablespoons of flour and stir to combine. Then add 700 milliliters of milk, little by little while stirring. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so that I can send you a big hug. Today's hug is for Connie Darrell from Kentucky. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Add 100 grams of mozzarella, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and stir until blended. In a baking pan, add a little olive oil. Spread it well with a brush. Add the cooked noodles, the broccoli, then the mixture we prepared earlier, and finally some mozzarella. And bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And our broccoli recipe is ready. Try it at home. It's incredibly delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.